I see myself achieving my goals with clarity. My goals are crystal clear in my mind's eye. Visualization fuels my motivation and determination. I visualize success in every detail. My dreams are within reach, and I see myself reaching them. Every day, my vision of success becomes stronger. I am unwavering in my pursuit of my goals. My visualizations are a roadmap to my success. I see opportunities aligning with my goals. Success is not a dream, it's a vivid reality. My mind is a powerful tool for achieving my goals. I picture myself surpassing my goals. My visualizations manifest into my reality. Achieving my goals is an unstoppable force. I see myself reaching new heights of success. My visions of success are backed by unwavering belief. Visualizing is my pathway to realizing. I visualize every step I need to take. My goals are not just dreams, they are my destiny. I am constantly evolving in the direction of my goals. Visualizing success strengthens my resolve. My visualizations light the way to my goals. I see success around every corner. My dreams are imprinted in my mind. Visualization fuels my drive to take action. My goals are vividly etched in my mind. Every day, I move closer to my goals. I see myself conquering my challenges. Visualizing success empowers my efforts. Success is a clear and present vision. My visualizations are a source of strength. My goals are brought to life through visualization. I visualize, I believe, I achieve. I see my dreams as achievable and real. My mind is a canvas for my goals. I envision my success and bring it to life. Visualization ignites the fire of determination. My goals are within sight and within reach. I see myself embracing my success. Every visualization takes me closer to my goals. My goals are my driving force. I visualize myself reaching new horizons. Success is the vivid picture I paint in my mind. My visualizations inspire me to action. I visualize my path to success. My dreams are a tangible reality. Visualization propels me forward. I see the finish line and I'm headed there. My visualizations manifest with each step. Success is my vision, and my vision is success. I visualize success and act upon it. I see my goals with absolute clarity. Every day, I am closer to my dreams. My visualizations are a source of inspiration. I see a future where I've achieved my goals. Success is my daily visual narrative. Visualization keeps my dreams alive. My goals are not just a thought, they are my reality. I see myself living the life of my dreams. My visualizations create my future. Success is a picture I paint in my mind. I visualize my potential and it's limitless. I see myself overcoming every obstacle. My goals are my daily visual mantra. Every visualization propels me to act. I see myself living a life of fulfillment. Visualization is my daily ritual for success. My goals are etched into my destiny. I visualize my triumphs and learn from them. I see myself as the architect of my future. Success is not a possibility, it's a certainty. I visualize my goals with boundless enthusiasm. My visualizations guide my every decision. I see myself achieving goals I've set. My goals are vivid, compelling, and attainable. Visualization is my path to excellence. I visualize my victories and make them real. Success is a tapestry woven in my mind. My visualizations guide me to the finish line. I see my dreams and work toward them. Visualization ignites my creativity. My goals are a picture of accomplishment. I visualize success with absolute conviction. Every day, my visualizations drive me forward. I see myself making progress every day. My visualizations motivate me to persist. I visualize the path to my goals. Success is my life's masterpiece. I see a world where my goals are reality. Visualization is my secret to success. My goals are vivid, living images. I visualize every detail of my success. I see my achievements as a work in progress. Success is a vision I constantly refine. My visualizations create a roadmap to my goals. I visualize myself reaching milestones. My goals are my reality in the making. I see a life defined by accomplishment. Visualization turns my dreams into achievements. Success is a series of visualized victories. I see myself achieving my goals with clarity. My vision of success is crystal clear. I am a master of visualization. I vividly imagine my goals every day. My visualizations are a roadmap to success. I use my imagination to create my desired reality. I visualize my goals in stunning detail. My dreams come to life in my mind's eye. I believe in the power of my visualization. I see myself reaching new heights. My visualizations are my daily inspiration. My goals are clearly defined in my mind. I see success unfolding before me. I visualize the steps to achieve my goals. My dreams are becoming my reality. I am the architect of my own dreams. I paint my future with vivid images. I create a mental movie of my success. I use visualization to stay motivated. My goals are within my reach. I see my dreams with unwavering faith. My visualization fuels my determination. I visualize success as if it's happening now. My goals are taking shape in my mind. I am committed to my vision of success. I see my goals manifesting effortlessly. My visualizations are my daily motivation. I believe in my ability to manifest. I am visualizing my way to greatness. My mind is a canvas for my dreams. I create a mental vision board of my goals. I see abundance flowing into my life. My visualizations attract opportunities. I visualize my ideal life every day. I feel the reality of my goals within me. My dreams are brought to life through visualization. I use my imagination to create my destiny. I am unwavering in my vision of success. I see the path to my goals clearly. My mind is a powerful tool for success. I visualize my goals with boundless energy. My visualizations are filled with positivity. I am drawn to my goals like a magnet. I see abundance all around me. My vision propels me toward success. I create a mental picture of my achievements. I see success as my only option. My goals are part of my daily thoughts. I use visualization to overcome challenges. I visualize my goals with passion. I see myself living my dream life. My visualizations bring my goals closer. I am a master at creating my future. I see the bigger picture of my goals. I visualize every detail of my success. I am living my ideal life in my mind. I see my goals manifesting effortlessly. My visualizations are filled with joy. I believe in the power of my thoughts. I am the artist of my own success. I visualize my goals with unwavering faith. My mind is a treasure trove of dreams. I see opportunities lining up before me. I use my imagination to design my destiny. I am fully committed to my visualizations. I see success on the horizon. I visualize my path to greatness. My dreams are within my reach. I see my life aligning with my goals. I use visualization to stay inspired. My goals are etched in my consciousness. I create a mental blueprint for my future. I see success unfolding in every area of my life. I visualize the achievement of my goals. My visualizations are my guiding light. I believe in the power of my imagination. I see my dreams taking shape. I visualize my way to prosperity. My goals are a reality in my mind. I use my imagination to inspire action. I am determined to bring my vision to life. I see abundance flowing into my life effortlessly. My visualizations attract abundance and success. I visualize my ideal life with passion. I feel the excitement of my goals. I see the success of my hard work. I am confident in my vision of success. I use my visualization to create my destiny. I visualize my goals as my destiny. My visualizations draw success closer to me. I believe in the power of visualization. I see my dreams becoming my reality. I visualize my way to the life I desire. My goals are etched into my soul. I use my imagination to manifest my dreams. I am on the path to my ideal life. I see success around every corner. I visualize my goals with boundless enthusiasm. I see the future I desire unfolding before me. My visualizations are my key to achieving my goals. I vividly see my goals in my mind's eye. My goals are crystal clear in my imagination. I can clearly visualize my path to success. My visualizations make my goals feel achievable. Visualizing my goals empowers me. My mind is a powerful tool for manifesting my desires. I create detailed mental images of my goals. I immerse myself in the vision of my goals. I visualize the joy of achieving my goals. My visualizations make me determined and focused. I am in complete control of my mental images. My visualizations are filled with positivity and success. I use all my senses to make my visualizations vivid. I can see every step required to reach my goals. Visualizing my goals fills me with confidence. My dreams are becoming a reality through my visualizations. I visualize the end result, and it's spectacular. My subconscious mind is aligned with my goals. I see myself living the life of my dreams. My visualizations are a source of daily inspiration. I visualize my goals as already achieved. I can taste the sweet success of my goals. I create a mental movie of my successful future. Visualizing my goals makes them more attainable. I use visualizations to eliminate self-doubt. I see opportunity in every challenge. My visualizations are like a GPS for my life. I am attracted to the life I visualize. My visualizations guide my actions and decisions. I visualize my goals with unwavering belief. I am destined to achieve my dreams. Visualizing success motivates me to take action. I visualize the joy of sharing my success with others. My goals are embedded in my subconscious. I trust the process of my visualizations. I attract the resources I need through my visualizations. My mental images create a magnetic pull toward success. Visualizing my goals sets a clear intention. I see the opportunities that lead to my goals. My visualizations are a daily ritual for success. I align my thoughts with my desired reality. Visualizing my goals fills me with determination. I am the master of my mental images. My subconscious mind is a treasure trove of creativity. Visualizing my goals makes them feel within reach. I turn my dreams into detailed blueprints. I am always guided by my vision. Visualizing my goals is like painting my future. I create a visual roadmap to my goals. I visualize my goals with unshakable faith. I trust in the process of visualization. My thoughts are seeds that grow into reality. Visualizing my goals helps me overcome obstacles. I see myself as a successful person. My visualizations instill courage in me. I am the architect of my own dreams. I transform my dreams into beautiful mental images. My visualizations make my goals tangible. I visualize my goals with unwavering dedication. I am driven by the pictures in my mind. Visualizing my goals is a daily exercise in determination. I see every challenge as an opportunity. My visualizations are a source of motivation. I hold a vivid image of success in my mind. I visualize the feelings of accomplishment. I trust the process of visualization. Visualizing my goals fills me with positivity. My subconscious mind is a sanctuary of inspiration. I can see my goals like a finished masterpiece. I turn my mental images into reality. I attract success with my focused visualizations. I visualize my goals as if they are happening now. Visualizing success makes me unstoppable. I trust in the power of my mind's eye. I see a bright future filled with accomplishments. I create the world I want through my visualizations. My goals are brought to life by my mental images. I use my imagination to shape my reality. I visualize my path to success with joy. Visualizing my goals is an empowering ritual. I trust in the process of visualization to guide me. I am always moving toward my envisioned success. My visualizations are the bridge to my goals. I see challenges as stepping stones to my dreams. I am the director of my mental movie. I create the life I want through my thoughts. Visualizing my goals fuels my ambition. I visualize my success with great clarity. 89. I trust the process of making my dreams come true. I turn my visualized goals into reality. I can see the success I want in my mind. My mental images guide me toward achievement. I am a master at creating visualizations. I visualize my goals with unwavering resolve. I am constantly aligning with my desired reality. I attract success through my powerful visualizations. My visualizations are like a beacon of light. I see the future I desire in my mind. I trust in my ability to manifest my dreams. I am the artist of my own success story. Incorporate these affirmations into your daily life, and watch as positivity and self-belief flourish within you. Remember, the power of positive thinking can shape your reality. Embrace these affirmations as tools to nurture your growth, boost your confidence, and manifest your dreams. Keep repeating them, and may your journey be filled with joy, success, and boundless positivity. We appreciate your continued support on our Positive Vibes Affirmations YouTube channel.